We brush our teeth every day, and most of us can't imagine a life without a toothbrush. But we throw away billions of toothbrushes each year, and most of them are made of plastic. Plastic toothbrushes are not even recyclable, except in very few recycling programs in the world. All this adds to the huge problem of plastic pollution in the world. So what can we do about this? One way to stop contributing to this pollution is by switching to more sustainable options. Let's look at 6 different options that we can use instead of a plastic toothbrush. The first on this list is, of course, the bamboo toothbrush. This is just like the plastic one, the only difference is the handle is made from bamboo. The bristles in a bamboo brush are usually made from nylon, which is non-biodegradable. So when it's time to dispose the toothbrush, the handle can be composted after removing the bristles first. I made a detailed video about the sustainability of a bamboo toothbrush where I mentioned both the positive and negative impacts on the environment. You can have a look at that video by clicking on the link in the description. Number 2 is chew sticks. This is an age-old method used to clean teeth, but chew sticks like neem twigs and meswak are still used by many people in the world. They have to be chewed on one end until they get frayed, then they can be used just like a toothbrush. They don't even require any toothpaste. The best way to get these chew sticks is directly from the tree itself, but they are also sold in online stores, and if you're lucky, you may find it in local markets as well. Chew sticks are natural and biodegradable. After use, they can be composted or just be buried in the garden. But unlike toothbrushes, they can't be stored and reused. So it can be a real challenge for those who don't have a neem tree or a local access to buy the chew sticks. Though buying online is an option, in that case it may be shipped from far off places and may come packaged in a lot of plastic, which ultimately makes it an unsustainable choice. Number 3 is electric toothbrushes. Electric toothbrushes are probably not the best option for the environment, but if you do have to use one, there are some options that are much better than others. First of all, electric brushes usually come with a replaceable head. So this itself reduces waste because the entire toothbrush doesn't have to be replaced often. When it is finally time to replace, though it is difficult to find recyclers who accept them, some brands like Georganics take back the used brushes for recycling it themselves. To make things better, you can also choose a brush that has a replaceable battery. So when the battery runs out, you can simply replace that instead of having to dispose the brush. It's even better if you use a rechargeable battery, so you can reduce the battery waste too. Electric toothbrushes are usually made from plastic, but while researching for this video, I came across a brand called Forio, whose brush heads have silicone bristles that last for about 6 months. This is much longer than the 3 to 4 months that is usually recommended for plastic brushes. You can find a link to all these products in the description. Number 4 is wheat straw toothbrushes. These are again just like the regular brushes, but the handles are made from wheat straw. I spoke to one of the brands selling these and I discovered that the handles are not 100% wheat straw. They are mixed with some other materials during production, so they are not 100% compostable at home. But some of these brands do accept the used brushes for recycling. There are a few brands that offer manual toothbrushes with changeable brush heads or replaceable bristles. These are again much better than the regular ones because they reduce the amount of waste we throw away after use. The last option on this list is your finger. Sometimes when people forget their toothbrush, they just simply use their finger to brush their teeth. And of course, this is absolutely zero waste. And I looked on the internet and I found a few people who do this on a regular basis as well. They don't own a toothbrush at all and they just use other methods to brush their teeth. But anyway, whichever option you choose, please consult your dentist to make sure that it's the right choice for you. For any product, it often seems like there are very limited options for those who want to live a low-waste lifestyle. Some products like bamboo toothbrushes and shampoo bars are quite popular, but they may not be suitable to everyone in the world, whatever the reason may be. This is what led me to make this video, listing out several other options that may help someone. If you found this helpful and would like to see more videos of this kind, please let me know in the comments and share this video around to help me reach more people. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for regular updates. Thank you for watching.